Dolphins. Are they the ocean's equivalent to humanity? No, they can't be. Dolphins are just animals. They don't know how to speak, they don't have technology, and they're nowhere near as smart as us humans at all. But what if that's just wrong? We say dolphins can't speak, but why would an animal that isn't a human learn a human language? Dolphins have a language. It's a series of sounds that they make that conveys different meaning, and they also use non-verbal gestures as well. Dolphins also have a distinct and unique high-pitched whistle, which scientists believe functions similarly to a name. We say dolphins don't have technology, and yes, they don't have technology as advanced as ours. They have been seen, however, using tools. Dolphins cover their snouts in sponges. This helps protect their snouts from scratches and cuts when they search the seabed for food. Much like humans, dolphins from different places act differently in behavior. For example, dolphins usually learn how to survive and eat from their mother, while Indo-Pacific dolphins, such as the ones observed in Western Australia's Shark Bay, have learned how to forage for food from their peers. The dolphins in Shark Bay use a hunting method only observed there. They will scoop up an animal in a large sea snail shell. They stick their nose in the hole of the shell, bring it to the surface, and shake the animal into their mouths. In an article from the website Science News for Students.org, written in August 6, 2020 by Jack Lee, the article mentions a report done in June 25th in Current Biology. Sonja Wild, a behavioral ecologist at the University of Konstanz in Germany, says that the report highlights the importance of social networks over other factors. She states that the behavior we mentioned before, they coined shelling, is a rare behavior and hasn't been witnessed much. They said that from 2007 to 2018, her colleagues and her had witnessed 5,278 dolphin group encounters, while there are only 42 shelling cases and only 19 dolphins having done the shelling hunting method. So it does seem that the dolphins do possess technology, and while one might say that they aren't anywhere near as close to human technologies, I must add that a dolphin doesn't need such technologies at all. But there are other things. Like crows, dolphins seem to possess a wide range of emotions beyond just basic ones humans seem to believe wild animals possess. They have been known to act maliciously towards other animals and other dolphins. Dolphins are kind and cute, but they are also, how do I say this so that I won't get destroyed on YouTube? Dolphins are like ducks. They're kind of, pushy. They may not have been known to sexually harass female dolphins to the extremes.
You what?
Dolphin males group together and do an action known as herding, where the males rush at a female. With one recorded case, in 1992, the males chased the female for 85 minutes and 7 kilometers. Through further observation, it became clear that there were super alliances of up to 14 males. This allowed the dolphins to make the process of herding go as smoothly as possible. The males would also bite, hit the females with their tails, and slam their bodies into the females, which clued in scientists that the female dolphins may not be completely willing participants in the herding process. Dolphins, like lions, will also kill the offspring of female dolphins if the offspring isn't theirs, to allow the female to go back into oestrus. Oestrus being the name to describe the cycle of heat female animals go through. When the baby is killed, the female will return to heat and can be bred with. They also know how to get high.
When attacked, pufferfish release a neurotoxin. In high doses it can kill, but in small doses it has a narcotic effect.
Not really important, I just wanted to mention it. They'll poke or eat pufferfish and use a nerve toxin that the pufferfish have to create an effect known as a high. Don't try it yourself though, because it'll kill you. In fact, one pufferfish has enough venom to kill 30 adult humans. So, after all the research I have compiled, are dolphins the humans of the sea? Maybe it's orcas instead. But what I can say for certain is that dolphins and humans share a lot of similar attributes, even some that are perhaps not as, good. I would say dolphins have at least the intelligence of a 1600s human society. PSA, don't snort pufferfish.